what Portfast is? Do you want to know how to set up Portfast in a layer 2 switch in Cisco? So Portfast, it is a feature that allows you to put the interface immediately into the forwarding state. So as we see in the last video, spanning tree has 5 different states. Listening and learning, it takes 15 seconds every state. So if you connect to one computer, it's gonna take like 30 seconds to go into the forwarding state. So that's why we need to set up in Portfast. So immediately go into the forwarding state. It is important that you use this setup in only computers or endpoint devices, but not devices that run the spanning tree or hubs or routers. So it is important that only use this command on devices that end devices. So for example, we're gonna erase and we're gonna connect it again, and we see that it's in orange. So then we're gonna put show spanning tree, and we see that the state is listening in fast eternal 0/3. Okay, and then it's in learning state, so it takes 30 seconds to go up. So that's why we need to set up Portfast. So we're gonna set up Portfast. So we're gonna go into configuration terminal. There are two ways to set up Portfast. One is in all ports that are in access mode, or you can set up into the interface that you want to be in Portfast. So we're gonna put interface fast eternal 0/3, and then we put switch port mode access, and then we assign it to the VLAN that is on that port. So in this case we only have VLAN 1, so it is already on VLAN 1. So we put spanning 3, and then we put Portfast, and then enter. And then we see a warning that says Portfast should only be enabled on ports connected to a single host. Connecting hosts, concentrators, switches, bridges, etc. to this interface when Portfast is enabled can cause a temporary bridging loops. Use with caution. Portfast has been configured on FastEthernet 03, but will only have effect when the interface is in non-trunking mode. So it is important that the port is not in trunking mode. So it should be only on access mode. So then we're gonna see it, and then we put show spanning 3, and we're gonna put show run, and we see that interface faster 0/3, it is in spanning 3 Portfast. Okay, so we're gonna see the difference. We're gonna connect it into the port interface faster 0/3, and we see immediately went to the forwarding state, and we see that it's in forwarding state. So it means that it could have communication with the other computers. Okay, so then we're gonna check out. We're gonna put the computer in other interface. So we're gonna put it on interface fast ethernet 0/5, and we see that it's in orange. So if you run show spanning tree, and we see that is making the states, it is in listening states. So because we only set up facetter 0/3. So facetter 05, it is making the process, the spanning tree process. So if you want to set up all the ports that are in access mode, you can put spanning tree, Portfast, and then default. So with this configuration, you can put all the ports that are in access mode. You can put it on Portfast. So you can set up in two ways: one in the interface directly, or you can run it in the global state for all the ports that are in access mode. But I recommend it to use it on the interface because you know which ports are in the Portfast state. So I would recommend to use it on directly on the interface. So if you like this video, please subscribe it, please like it, and please leave a message, and thank you for watching. Have a good day.